Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Many times I have been asked, what's the fatty liver disease? What if I have the fatty liver disease? And how to treat fatty liver disease? Today, I would like to answer all these questions. The first question which is asked, what is the fatty liver disease? Answer is, fatty liver is a disease in which fat gets accumulated in the liver in huge amount, and this affects its structure and function. Fatty liver disease is the most common disease in the world today. The second question which I am asked, what if we have fatty liver disease? Answer is, as said before, fatty liver disease affects the structure and function of the liver. And if it remains untreated, it damages the liver permanently. It leads to cirrhosis, which in turn is complicated by hepatic encephalopathy, the spells of unconsciousness, variceal bleeding, that is the vomiting containing blood and black stools because of bleeding from the ruptured blood vessels in the esophagus, the ascites, which means accumulation of fluid in the abdominal cavity, renal failure, malnutrition, predisposition to different infections, coagulopathy, the blood disorders, and the most fatal complication, that is the liver cancer. The most frequent question which I am asked is how to treat fatty liver disease. I must say, no drug is available to treat fatty liver disease. The only treatment available is exercise and diet. Walk or open exercise for 30 minutes, at least 5 days a week, is enough to treat fatty liver disease. In the dietary measures, a fatty liver diet should include foods that promote liver health, improve insulin sensitivity, and support weight management. Beneficial foods for fatty liver disease include: number one, leafy greens. And these include spinach, kale, and collard greens. These are rich in antioxidants and fibers and very useful to treat fatty liver disease. The second class is that of berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. All these are high in antioxidants and fibers, and again, very useful in treating fatty liver disease. The third group of diet is fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and very useful in treating fatty liver disease. Number four, nuts and seeds. These include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These are high in healthy fats and fiber. Fifth is olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats. Olive oil supports liver function and insulin sensitivity. Sixth is whole grains, which includes brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These provide fiber and nutrients to the body. Seventh is legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. These are rich in protein, fiber, and minerals. Then comes the green tea, which is high in antioxidants. The green tea supports liver health and weight loss. 9 is cruciferous vegetables, which includes broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These support liver detoxification. And the 10th is fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt. These support gut health. But remember to also limit or avoid foods that can exacerbate fatty liver, like sugary drinks, refined carbohydrates, processed meats, fried foods, and high sugar foods. But of course, you should consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitians for personalized dietary advice. Take care. Thank you.